In today's lesson, we are going to break apart a one-digit subtrahend to subtract it from a two-digit number.
It's math time. Do you know what time it is? It's math time. Do you know what time it is? It's math time. Do you know what time it is? It's math time. Do you know what time it is? It's math time.
63 take away 7. How many ones should be taken away from 63 to make it a tens number? Here's 63 on the number line. Here's 60, a tens number. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones need to be taken away from 63 to make it a tens number. And you can also know this by looking at 63 and looking at that ones column. 63 is made up of 6 tens and 3 ones. So we got to take away 3 ones to turn it into a tens number. So let's do that up here on the number line. I'm going to go 63, big jump all the way to 60. And I'm going to label this as minus 3 because I took away 1, 2, 3 ones to get to 60. Now, how can I break apart the 7 to do this? Well, I could break it up as 3 and 4 because I needed the 3 ones to get to a tens number, and I have 4 ones left over. And I know this because 3 plus 4 makes 7. How many more ones are there still to be taken away after we've taken away 3 ones from 63? 4 more ones are left over. So now we're going to find that number on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big jump over there from 60 to 56 and label as a minus 4. Looks like we landed on 56. So I'm going to write that number on my answer line. 56. This one says 55 take away 8. First, I want to know how many ones should be taken away from 55 to make it a tens number. Remember what I showed you about tens and ones? I have 5 tens and 5 ones. How many ones need to be taken away to make this only a tens number? Here's 55. Here's 50. Well, since this number has 5 tens and 5 ones, I'm going to take away 5 ones to get me to 50. So let's do that on the number line now. And label it as minus 5. We can check our work by counting each space on our number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, how could I break apart the 8 to do this? Well, 8 is made up of 5 ones and 3 ones because 5 plus 3 makes 8. How many more ones are there still to be taken away after we've taken away 5 from 55? We can see that right here, there are 3 left to be taken away. So let's go ahead and do that on the number line. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to do a big jump from 50 to 47, and we're going to label it as -3. And now we can write 47 on our answer line. Now I have a question for you guys. Why is this 8 broken up as a 5 and a 3 and not 4 and 4? 8 is broken up as a 5 and a 3 because what you needed to do first was subtract 55 minus 5 to get to 50. If we subtracted 4, we would get 1, 2, 3, 4 and land on 51. And 51 is not a tens number. We wanted 50. That's a tens number. So we had to take away 5. And so 8 is made up of 5 and 3. So our two numbers that we're breaking up, an 8 and 2 is a 5 and a 3. (42 minus 5). Okay, guys, first question. How many ones should be taken away from 42 to make it into a tens number? Here's 42 on the number line. And our tens number that we're looking for is 40. So how many ones do I need to subtract to get to 40? Remember, if you look at our number here, 4 tens and 2 ones make 42. And since there are 2 ones, I need to subtract 2 ones to get to 40. I'm going to label it as -2. You can also check your work by drawing 1, 2 little humps to show that we're taking away 2 on the number line. How can I break apart this 5 to do this? Well, remember, 5 is made up of 2 and 3. Remember that we're choosing the number 2 because we needed to subtract 2 ones to get to 40. And now we can see that there are 3 ones left over that we still need to take away from 40 to get our answer. Let's do that on the number line. 1, 2, 3. Draw a big hump right on our -3. And you can see that we landed on 37. Hey guys, thanks for sticking with me to the end of the video. Good luck on your homework today, and I will see you next time.